In storage, we had generalizations, right? That we know most people come from 3 to 5 miles away. They're
Mm,
moving. We have those generalizations. So it's starting with that, but then looking at each facility. So when you start to look at it, is there if you're in an urban market, your customer base might be coming from a 1 mile or even a half-mile radius around. And so you want to spend all of your marketing dollars in that. If you're in a rural market, it might be up to 20 miles. And often, especially if you have parking, we do often see them come from greater than 20 miles away as well. So even looking at the geographic piece of that, and then just understanding, okay, so if you have a natural barrier too in there's a river and most people are, the bridge might be down the way. So really looking at that and then understanding, okay, most people are not going to cross that river if the bridge is 30 miles out of their way. So targeting to like the west or the east of or north or whatever of that. So a lot of it is really the geographic region. And then understanding the demographics of where you're located at, and then you can start to tailor your marketing for that as well. So if you're in a college town, maybe your marketing is more about how easy it is to run online and they don't have to come to the facility. If you're in maybe a demographic that's more of like a retirement age, it's more about how easy it is to rent and all of the different avenues that they could rent. So you can start to tailor your strategies once you identify the demographic.
the messaging is actually different. Yeah, yeah, because they care about the different ages care about different things, obviously.
No, I love that. I think I was talking to Darby yesterday, and she came up with this concept of like matchmaking, right?
Mhm.
So much of Google's job is to matchmake, is this
Yeah.
given this person, or is your business the right fit for this person, and vice versa, right? Given your business, are these people good fits? And sometimes we lean maybe too far on the generalizations, right? But and maybe there is we're missing out on a particular pocket. And I've seen the opposite, right? I've seen where people obsess too much about this one little small pocket and they're missing out on the rest. So it is just it's interesting. It's fun to watch.